So you want to start trading, but you don't know how. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to start trading as a complete beginner. The first thing that we gotta get out of the way is apps and software. And there are a ton of apps and softwares, but you only need two things. Number one, you need an exchange, and number two, you need an app for market analysis. And to make it easy on you, I'll tell you what I personally use. I use MEXC and Binance for exchanges. My money is equally spread between MEXC and Binance, but if you have to choose only one, I would actually recommend MEXC because it has very low fees. They also have a very easy to use app, but I'll talk more about them in the next video. This video is not sponsored by anyone, by the way. If you trade stocks or forex, it's a little bit more complicated because depending on where you live, many apps such as Robinhood might not be available to you. So you have to do a little bit of research. What you should look for is a legitimate broker that many people use that also has low fee rates. The second thing you need is a trading software, and in my opinion, by far the best one is TradingView. I know many people use some MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5. I think most people use it for Forex, but I think TradingView is by far the best platform. Also, it's subscription based and has 3 plan options, but if you want, you can try it out for free and use it with limited features. I personally have the most expensive plan because for my strategy I need many alerts, but you probably wouldn't need it, especially as a beginner. I have a link for TradingView in the description down below so you can join. Now let's talk about what you actually need to learn. We got the software out of the way, and there are 3 key things you need to know. I'm not gonna go in depth in this video, but the 3 things you need to focus on is number 1, price action, number 2, order flow, and number 3, supply and demand. Everything else is complete BS, or is at least unnecessary. When you start trading and when you look at channels on YouTube, there are a ton of channels that talk about different indicators, but they can't actually give you an edge, especially if you use them in the orthodox way. The only way to get an advantage from indicator is that you use it in a completely different way than most people. So I'm really trying to save you a couple of years of your time trading. Also, about those 3 key concepts, I'm gonna make separate videos that I explain them a little bit more in depth, but this video is all about the basics. So after you get an idea of how the markets actually move, how supply and demand works, how order blocks move, some smart money concepts, and you actually started backtesting, I have a video about backtesting by the way, you can actually put some money into your exchange in your trading account. Most YouTubers would advise you to start with paper trading or with a very low amount of money, such as 20 to 50 bucks. I would personally recommend to put in money that you actually care about, so you're serious about trading, but not so much that they affect your lifestyle. You're most likely gonna lose all of this money, so it really shouldn't be money that you actually care about or you need for a living. So this is basically all you need to know to start trading. Thank you for the huge support on my channel. I'll go a little bit more in depth in each one of those concepts in future videos. See you in the next one.